Hey guys, welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down what's coming next so you stay ahead in the tech game. If you love drones, filmmaking, or capturing the world from above, you'll want to hear this. Today we're diving into everything we know so far about the DJI Neo2. What's new, what works better, when it might arrive, and whether it's worth waiting for. You ever get frustrated when your drone can't keep up during tracking, or you worry about flyaways, or you just wish video was smoother in low light? If DJI fixes those pain points, the Neo2 might be a sweet upgrade. Stay with me, because some of these rumored features might change how you fly and capture. Right now, the Neo2 is still unannounced officially, but leaks and filings are pointing toward a late 2025 release. Some reports even suggest early 2026 is possible depending on region. DJI has already made progress in regulatory filings, like FCC, which often means they are gearing up for launch. So what might make the Neo2 different from the original Neo? First, a quick look back. The DJI Neo weighs about 135 grams, making it one of DJI's lightest flying platforms. It's designed for easy selfies, vlogging, FPV with goggles, voice/app/remote control, using OcuSync 4 for video transmission, 22 GB internal storage, a half-inch CMOS sensor, shoot 4K at 30 frames per second, 12 MP photos, etc. But there were trade-offs: flight time around 18 minutes, limitations in low light, minimal obstacle avoidance, and the camera specs not always keeping up with higher-end drones. Some users also raised concerns about flyaways or stability in windy conditions. That brings us to what the Neo2 is rumored to bring. These are leaks and rumors, so take them with caution, but they give a pretty good map of what might be coming. One big upgrade seems likely in flight time and battery. Neo may use a larger battery, something like 1606 mAh, pushing flight time to 20 to 25 minutes instead of 18. That's a noticeable bump, especially if weight stays controlled. Camera upgrades are also on the table. Rumors suggest Neo2 could include a 1/1.3-inch sensor, support 4K video at 60 frames per second, instead of 30 frames per second, better low-light performance, improved stabilization. Another area being murmured is safety and design improvements. The Neo2 could have enhanced propeller guards, maybe double-layered, some basic obstacle avoidance, front, back, bottom, stronger AI tracking, return-to-home features improved, better resistance to flyaways. Keeping the drone under 250 grams is important in many countries, for registration, regulation, so the design must improve without pushing weight too high. People are also expecting better stability and optics, possibly better dynamic range, better handling of wind, perhaps more robust video bitrate, HDR modes, better tracking modes. If DJI can get smoother performance even in slightly tougher lighting, that'd be a real win. Transmission, controls, and features might see small but meaningful tweaks. For instance, improved AI subject tracking, active track version upgrades, more reliable GPS or positioning, maybe more smart flight modes or quickshots. Some rumors even mention improved guards or protection to avoid damage during crashes. What about price? The Neo was friendly in pricing for its class. The Neo2 is expected to cost a bit more, reflecting better parts and new features. Some estimates suggest starting price in the range of $229 to $329 for basic combos, more for bundles with extra batteries or controllers. In terms of geography and availability, there may be regional differences. Regulatory issues in the US could delay release or limit availability. Some countries may require registration, import duties, etc. Also, supply chain constraints can shift timeline. But leaks indicate DJI is submitting to regulatory bodies already, which usually signals things are getting serious. Let me drop a mid-script thought. Imagine you can get a drone with more flight time, 4K 60 video, better tracking, and more safety, all in a compact, palm-sized drone that you don't need to register in many places. If that happens, Neo2 could be ideal for creators, travel vloggers, or just hobbyists who want better output without dealing with big drones. Some rumors say release might be in November 2025, though that isn't confirmed. What might not change? From what people are saying, it is unlikely Neo2 will have a multi-axis mechanical gimbal, beyond its current one-axis, SOX. PEC stabilization improvements via software/electronic stabilization rather than full hardware gimbals. Also unlikely to massively increase weight beyond registration thresholds, must stay lightweight. Probably battery improvements, but big leaps are hard without compromising portability. Also, pricing won't stay low if many premium parts are added, so expect the combos to push price up. Who should be most interested in Neo2? If you did photography, travel content, vlogging, social media content, having better 4K 60, better tracking, more flight time matter. If you just want casual use, selfies, occasional footage, current Neo or similar drones might already do enough. But if you create, share often, want more reliability or smoother video, waiting for Neo2 could make sense. Also worth comparing with alternatives, other drones in similar weight class, or other brands pushing similar features. If those competitors deliver similar upgrades, Neo2 must be priced well or offer enough value. Sometimes software features matter as much as hardware. So summarizing, release probably late 2025, maybe November. Upgrades likely include longer battery life, 20-25 minute, better sensor, 1/1.3 inch, for K60 frames per second video, improved tracking, safety features, improved design especially guards, possibly more storage or smoother app/firmware experience. Price expected to go up a bit versus base Neo. Should you wait or buy now? If you need a drone today and cannot wait, maybe current Neo or alternatives are good. But if you can wait a few months, Neo2 looks promising, especially if these rumors are accurate. It might offer better longevity, output quality, lower frustration with limitations. Alright, that's everything we know so far about the DJI Neo2. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you're first to know when official specs drop. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Keep exploring, keep innovating. See you in the next one.